Hello preschool group and welcome to online math class. Today we are going to talk about half of number. Let's start.
Let's look at the blackboard, please. So what can you see in each column? That at the first column there are less animals than in the second. So let's count. In the first column we have one frog, in the second column we have two frogs. Next, there are 2 elephants in the first column and 4 elephants in the second column. It's like adding at twice the same amount of animals. If I've got one frog and I add up another frog, I've got 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the same happens with elephants. There are 2 elephants in the first column. I add up 2 more elephants and I got 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. What about whales, guys? The same thing, right? We've got 3 whales, we add up 3 and we got 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Very good, guys. So if I add up twice to the same numbers, I'll get the double of that number. In that case, the double of 1 is 2, the double of 2 is 4, and the double of 3 is 6.
Of course, the double of 4 is 8 because 4 plus 4 equals 8. The double of 5 is 10 because 5 plus 5 equals 10. So if I add up one number twice, I can calculate the double of that number.
Very good, Michael. Now the next chart is different. Why? It's the other way. There are more animals in the first column than in the second. Let's have a look on the first column. There are 4 snails in the first column and 2 snails in the second column. In the other row, there are 2 snakes in the first column and 1 snake in the second. Next, there are 6 dogs in the first column and 3 in the second. Perfect. So we noticed that the second chart shows that there are half of the animals compared to the first column. To calculate half of the numbers, you must split that number into 2 equal parts.
I think I've already understood, Miss. So half of 8 is 4 because if I split 8 into 2 halves, each half equals 4.
Perfect, Lucy. Now who will tell me the half of 10?
10, Matt. 5, because if I split 10 into 2 halves, each half equals 5.
Very excellent, guys. Congratulations. Are you ready, guys, to check your knowledges? So, can you double all these examples? So, guys, if you want to double the number, we have to add up the same number, the same amount of number. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. When we want to double number 4, it means that it equals 8. Next example, we need to double 7. So 7 plus 7 equals 14. So if you want to double 7, as you can see, if we want to double 4, we just add 4 plus 4. If we want to double number 7, we have to add the same number, right? 7 plus 7. Preschool group, please take pen and paper and double all these examples. It's time to check yourself. Now let's calculate half of numbers. Do you remember that to get half of the number, you must split that number into 2 equal parts? So, 4. Let's split it on 2 equal parts. We split it and we got 2 and 2. Okay, great. So half of 4 equals 2. Great. Now let's see 6. So half of 6 equals. So we have to split 6 into 2 equal parts. 3 and 3. They are equal. Now it's time to check yourself.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. See you next class. Bye bye.